My name is Steve. I'm Korean. Originally, I had a little long forehead. Over time, I started to lose my hair. That was stressful for me. So I visited this divine cosmetic surgery. After I got this long hair transplant, I had to get confidence again. After the surgery, I could get back to normal quickly, and my hairline looked natural. And after 5 months, I can see the difference. I could see the difference. And over 1 year, my hairline looked really natural. So I am now very satisfied with my surgery. So I'd like to recommend this long hair transplant. After the discussion with doctor, I choose long hair transplant because in this case, after the surgery, only after 2 to 3 days, I could go back to normal, and nobody recognized my surgery. That's why I selected this long hair transplant. After the surgery, I could go to work and I could do everything. So it couldn't affect my daily life. So that's I was very satisfied of this long hair transplant surgery. In this long hair transplant surgery, we don't have to trim my hair, and after the transplantation, it looked really natural. So I think this is the great benefit.